Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So when I decided to shift in area of Twin Flame, as per my previous video, the reason became the murder of my friend. So as I was so already upset and I got scared after seeing that extreme anger in me, and I realized this Twin Flame has to be safe all the time, and if anything happens with him, I will go out of my control, and this anger can destroy the planet. This is what I knew since my childhood, and that was the reason I always kept it under control. And also I forgave many times people wherein they didn't deserve that forgiveness, but then I knew this anger is actually dangerous. It should not come out. So many times I used to punish myself because other person's reason. So it was not my fault, but I did that. So I used to do it since my childhood, that I used to punish myself for others mistakes. So as I took this decision in hurry because I got scared. Also what has happened, as I got to know about this incident, the murder, about this murder of my friend in the month of May 2019, and I also the moment I realized, is this person fine, this Twin Flame. So I was trying to check his status, wherein I already stopped talking to him when I gave him closure that I will never connect with you, I will never reach out to you. When I gave him 2-3 tight slap on his ego. So but I used to check his status on WhatsApp. So whenever I used to see him online, that was still helping me. So now this time when I checked in the month of May, when I got to know about this friend's murder, this person was not visible online. So I again got scared. Then I called to my common friend. Then a female friend checked, no, this person is absolutely fine and right now at this place, so everything is okay, don't be worried about it. And then I realized this person has all of a sudden blocked me. So he did not block me wherein I asked him to block me, but then this was another level of game when he showed his fake breakup, and then he knew that I'll be concerned about it because he will be sad. That's what he has been knowing that. So now he wanted to play another level of game, blocked me all of a sudden. So okay, I got it now. But then I think I decided to shift. Okay, so when I started looking for properties, yes, it was my choice and conscious decision to shift in his block, in his area, also in his block, wherein I knew that this person stays in this block, but I did not know his house number. So I started looking for the property through property dealers. So they were showing me certain properties which I did not like. But now, as I was so mentally disturbed and because of this friend's incident, so I needed a property with a lot of open space. So I decided to go ahead with property which is built on a roof. Because before this, since I started staying alone, and I have been on this journey since 2011. So every time divine was assigning these neighbors who were taking care of me, no doubt about that. I mean, taking care of a lot of things about me, and always calling me at their place, especially on weekend. And if they are aware about I am on week offs or on some other day I have taken off, they would not leave me alone for a second. So that was so disturbing for me because I was not getting alone time, and that has always been my first priority. So how would you say? So this was so disturbing for me. So that is why I said, divine, I understand, I did not expect this kind of help in this journey, in this toughest journey, wherein you have assigned certain people. I understand these are negative people, but then same time they were also helping me, taking care of me. But I am so grateful, but I do not want these people anymore in my life. Humble request, please do not assign such people anymore. So what has happened when I started staying alone, when I used to believe, yeah, these people are good people and then were taking care of me. So divine used to give me reminder, do not ignore red flags in these people, as they are temporary people in your life. So this was a frequent reminder. So I realized that and so before shifting this place, I said this to divine, I do not want anybody who can be exactly in neighborhood. So that was the reason I decided to choose this property which was on the roof, wherein no other person will have access to my room and even my space. So this property dealer showed me two property which was on the roof. So one property was on the roof, but it was completely covered with certain things. So this house was completely covered with metal mesh and I was already feeling suffocated. So I needed an open space wherein I can feel relaxed and calm. Also I wanted greenery and open space so that I can look at the sky during the night time or on my weekend, so that I will be able to come out of this situation maybe quickly, the thing I was suffering from this friend's incident. So this property dealer showed me another property which was again on roof, and immediately I liked the property because it had a lot of ventilation. Also the vibe of this property was amazing, positive one. As being an empath, I can always sense the energy of the property and everything. So also another benefit was there was a big park attached to this property, wherein there were a lot of trees which was along with this roof. So I thought this will be so healing, and nature always heals itself. So I like this property, and I finalized this, wherein the rent of this property was double of the amount which I was already paying. So I ignored that part because I was already mentally so disturbed. And also within the same week, before finalizing this property, I also joined a new company, wherein I left that previous company, wherein I got to know about this friend's incident. So I was not working since 2 months, and I joined the company because as I was staying alone, so most of the time, all the time, I was crying about thinking about this friend's murder, and it was whole day and night. So I thought to divert my mind, otherwise everything will be destroyed in my life, the way I was going through this pain. Also, before shifting to his place, I checked his status on social media, wherein he mentioned that he's not in the city. So I was happy that he will not be able to look at me, he will not get to know that I've shifted in his area. And I will shift it on a weekday, so that even though if he comes, and he will not be able to see me, because on weekend he stays at home. So it was a Friday, 5th of July, I believe, on 2019, and I shifted in the afternoon time. It was around 1 or 1:30 in the afternoon. So I had to go to office as it was Friday. It was a new company, and so as I was already crying, even though while shifting I was not overcome with that pain. So and all of a sudden it starts raining in my area, wherein it was not the time of raining, I would say, because it was not raining in my city since a week time, though it was a time of rainy season. So I thought maybe why not go ahead and enjoy this rainy time, and I will feel relaxed and refreshing, because rain is also healing, and I personally like wetting myself in the rain water. And then I thought I will feel happy. So what I did, I was standing on the balcony type, though it was not a balcony, like my room was on the roof, and I had two big rooms and other thing, kitchen and other thing, and then there were a lot of space. So I was standing and again crying, and then I realized there is a guy on my right hand side, a long tall guy, and white skin, and also not wearing shirt, also enjoying rain, I can say, and continuously looking at me. So I could not see his face because I wear glasses, and as I've already cried a lot, so my eyesight is already weak. So and then I realized no, so I said maybe I'm a new neighbor, that's why this person is continuously looking at me. But then I realized he kept on looking at me, gazing at me. So I thought maybe I'm a female, and generally people stare at me, so that's something normal for me. So as I was walking, I was looking down from the balcony at the nearby neighborhood. Then I saw this, twin flame was starting his car from down at my house, and seeing this, I was shocked. I made eye contact and I ran away. So I was shocked to see him that he's taking his car out, that too nearby from my house. And I was like, what has happened now? And it actually shocked me. So when I had eye contact with him, I realized that he was already looking at me. It was all of a sudden my eyes went on him, and then I saw him that he is taking his car nearby from my house. So the way I saw him suddenly, I did not expect this, because as he mentioned his status on social media that he's traveling, he's not in the city. That's what he was pretending. So and all of a sudden seeing him that too close to my house, that was such a shocking thing for me. So when I saw him all of a sudden, that too close to my house, and I did not expect this because, as he mentioned on social media, that he was traveling, he was not in the city. So I was definitely not expecting him to see that too all of a sudden and immediately. So then I started looking for his house. I thought maybe he's living very close to my house, or maybe I have shifted very close to his house. And then all of a sudden one spirit started talking from inside from me that there is a surprise. So it was kept on telling me surprise, and I said, like, I was already angry and upset. So I said, what will happen? I'll see him, will he really talk to me? Wherein we were not talking, I stopped talking to him, and it was a time wherein I gave 2-3 tight slap on his ego. And then he did not block me initially, but then he blocked me after a few months. So that's what I said. And then I went outside my house to take something from a shop. And when I was coming, so then there was a spirit saying, look at that house, which was exactly in front of my own house. And then I saw, no, this is not possible, this cannot happen. But his surname and my surname is similar, and there I saw something written with his surname on that house, that too very large alphabets. And I'm like, no, this is not possible, this cannot happen. So the moment I entered into my house, and I saw that he was standing there and looking at me, continuously looking at me, from his house. There I realized what has happened to me now. Who would I explain? Nobody will believe. How is this even possible? That, I became his immediate close neighbor. That too, my house is in front of his house. So I had 2 rooms and he had one big room, which had space for 2-3 rooms. So now from my both the rooms, he could I could see half of the activity what he was doing in his room, and same thing was visible from his house as well. And it was also that close, if he was a bit of loud while talking to somebody or on phone, and same thing with me, we could hear that close this property was. Then I was telling myself, this thing is on my self-respect. This should not happen. So now if anybody will get to know, if I talk about our common friends or common contact, that I am living this this way exactly in front of his house, nobody will believe that I've not done this intentionally. Yes, intentionally I shifted in his block, but not this way, wherein I'm staying exactly in front of his room. So I said, now what to do? Shifting property is not an easy task, wherein I had to sign a legal contract for 11 months. And also this owner, this property was vacant, since 6 months. And then they were also, looking for income, because this owner was not working. So I thought maybe it will be bad for them as well. But now what to do? I had to shift. So I decided maybe I can stay here for a month, and then I will give them some sort of, reason, and then I will shift from here. Then all of a sudden divine said, no, you asked for evidences from us about this person, so now stay here and take evidences. I said, so you have done this, you brought me here in front of his house, and that's why you created that thought in my mind to contact that friend who was murdered in 2016. And all of a sudden I tried contacting her in 2019, and then I got to know that horrible truth, wherein till now her parents has told to relatives and other neighborhood that this person is alive and working in other country. That is why she doesn't come to place. So divine said, you asked for evidences, second or third time from us about this person. So now stay here and take the evidences. So I said, I will stay here for 6 months. I understand within a month's time you will not be able to, give me these evidences. So I can stay here for a 6 months, but I will definitely leave this property after 6 months. So you give me whatever evidences you want to give me. And then divine did not reply, and divine said, you are brought here because of you will have evidences about this person. And then next day what has happened, I saw a lady, an evil face lady, I can say. As I being an empath, I have a lot of spiritual gifts, so I know that I can always recognize the true color of a person. So when I saw this evil lady in his house, so I was questioning who this lady is, why is she in his house. There I realized she's his mother. Okay, all right, I said, like, thank God that I'm saved, not part of his family or his life. and it was Sunday, that I was on off. It was my weekend off, and he has one younger sibling who is of my age itself. So when he saw me, he started looking at me like other boys look at a female. So he was continuously looking at me and trying to pretend as if he's interested, and so it's been 4 to 5 hours. He could not remove his eyes, continuously looking at me. So I realized, I knew that he's his younger brother. But then all of a sudden, after 24 hours or after 48 hours, he went to his this twin flame, brother, that this girl has come here, this and that type of a girl. And then this twin flame asked him to play a mind game, that pretend her you are not interested, and ignore her. So he was trying to teach this mind game to this person, wherein he tried, but he was not successful. So he kept on looking at me till the time I stayed there, and always going on roof and looking at me from here and there. And then I realized there is a lot of difference in between these two people, this twin flame and his younger brother. Lot of differences. So after this divine conversation, I also realized I used to whenever I used to close my eyes after meeting this twin flame in 2011, I always used to see this vision, that this a sort of dream. I would not call it a dream because I was not sleeping. So before this, I already knew that whenever I get visions, it is coming from an open eyes. But this is something which I was seeing only when I was closing my eyes while sleeping on my bed, that I'm staying like this in his neighborhood. So this I started seeing since 2011, and this was a vision which became into which turned out into reality in 2019, after so many years. So I said, okay, that was a vision. So I realized vision comes like this as well. So as I was already upset, and I was not able to divert my mind from this friend's incident, so I decided to join Zumba classes. So I was looking for these Zumba classes, which I did not get at a specific center. There then I contacted a gym. So there were several gyms in my area, but then this one particular gym was well maintained, and there were a lot of greenery nearby this gym. And this gym belongs to some sort of model who was a big influencer. And then I decided to join. So they said, at this time we are not running this Zumba classes, but if you join, we can start this batch again from next week. So I agreed for that, though it was expensive, but then I ignored the money part and I joined them. And it was my first day. I saw this twin flame there itself. Okay, no problem. I was not ready to talk, as I already denied I will not talk. So I started, doing gymming and running. So I was on the treadmill. There I realized, he was coming again and again, trying to talk to me now, or maybe expecting, as I always used to reach out, this time I will. So I showed him, no, I will not reach out. And then he was kept on coming and going, getting some sort of excuses. He's coming for, water and other thing. And then the moment I got down from the treadmill, he said, he asked for a handshake, and my hand got up immediately, wherein I did not want to. So this, I realized this was happened all of a sudden, and he said something, long time, good to see you, and then he went again. And after that, I did not meet him ever in the gym. Also, I realized, he was going in the evening time. So as this was a weekend time, that's why I went on weekend. Otherwise, I used to go in morning time. So then he started coming in the morning time, because I was definitely ignoring him. I was not ready to talk to him. So when he joined a gym in the morning time, I left the gym. I will not want to talk to him. That was the reason I, left the gym. And my reason was so clear that, I knew that if something happens to this person, I will go out of control, and this anger will come out and it will destroy the planet. So I did not want that. And that is again, connected to my spiritual power. So what has happened since then, as we were staying, in front of our, house, he used to look at me. Sometimes I used to look at him, but then all of a sudden he started, playing this mind game again. Oh no, I'm not interested in talking to you, or not interested in, looking at you. So I also showed him that I'm also not interested in talking to you or looking at you. And also, as I was brought at this place to, take those evidences about that fake breakup he showed on the social media. So he kept on pretending, he's single and he broke up, he's sad because, it's only been 6 months when he showed that fake breakup on, social media. So as we were neighbor, I could always see him what time, he's at home and when he's not in the city or he's not at his place. So he was traveling with that girl, going on dates and traveling to other city with this female with whom he was in a relationship and showed a fake breakup. So I told to Divine, I agree that, you have given me evidences and I would not ask for further evidences about, this person. But for the final time, I want to, reconfirm the evidences. So there are certain evidences, which comes under government data. So as I have been part of, this aviation industry, and he was working in the same airline, he continued working there. So this female was also from, same airline. So then I had contacts. I found that, these two people were traveling together, also had contacts in the hotel. So aviation and hotel industry are interconnected, I can say. I found, every time he was mentioning, he's sad and, and he was generally doing, posting these posts when he was traveling with this girl. So that, I may think he's sad, upset, has gone to his friend's place, wherein he was traveling with this girl to other city. So I found that data. Okay, I was absolutely right. And this I found for several, months, for 6 months. And I could see when he's at home and when he's not home. So I was able to check all these details. Not that I was interested, but I knew this big incident, in my life, which Divine has done to brought me here. I've gone through so much of pain. So I had to be, in this acceptance, he is such a shittiest person. But now the question comes about that female who was always interested in disclosing this relationship, and what sort of thing he has told to that girl, that to show this fake breakup, wherein the girl's family knew, this person is in a relationship and this female is traveling with him. Her family also knew this. So what is happening? I had to do a lot of study about this female as well. So I kept on checking the evidences and I was getting it. Okay, I was in this confirmation, in this acceptance that now I have to leave this place. For the thing, Divine has brought me here, to have those evidences. So I started looking for another property once I completed, 5 months, or I was about to enter into the 6 months. And then but also, the moment I shifted at this place, there was back to back, incidents were happening. Why it was happening? Because the game, that 10 years of game was about to be ended in 2020. So I shifted at this place in July 2019. And then I was like, I thought I have not overcome to this pain of my friend's murder, and back to back, these incidents are happening. It was a lot of pain for me, but I knew that I had to go through this. Within 6 months, I also noticed, that this person is again pretending that he is not interested and do not want to look at me. But then at the same time, there was a person who was again staying in a neighborhood. He was a, friend of his brother's friend. So who used to visit at his place frequently. So I could see him. I found this person was spying on me, and this twin flame has told him, because every time I was going out of my house, especially on weekend. So what I started doing, as I was upset, so was looking to divert my mind. I have friends in my city, so I was going, so that I will, visit such different places wherein I'll be happy. So this person was spying on me in so many ways that I will share in upcoming videos. Also, when he was traveling with his girlfriend, with whom he showed a fake breakup, he asked his friend, who was my common friend, to call me and, pretend me this person is so upset, and not happy because of his breakup. So this person was also aware that, about his fake breakup. Why? Because the city he was frequently traveling by the airline, this person belongs to that place, and he was the one who was, clicking their pictures, wherein this person, this female used to post those pictures, not showing the face. But again, there were a lot of things which were common when he was posting pictures and she was posting pictures. I did a lot of study, which I will share in upcoming videos. So I knew how shitty these people are, and then anyways, so a lot of evidences I got. But then now I stayed at that place for 2.5 years. I did not want to. But then, as it's, divine plan, and there were a lot of things which were supposed to be disclosed, when I was brought at this place. I thought only it was about, his this fake breakup, but no. So I will share all those things in upcoming videos, because a lot of other thing has happened. And so this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. What has happened, after shifting to this place, also there were back-to-back incidents. This was again a soul shock that I'll share in separate videos. Also, since I shifted in his area and I became his immediate neighbor, I was so worried about it. What if he tells my owner that I've done this intentionally, and I know him since 2011? What will I answer to these owners? They will not believe on me. Nobody will believe on me that I've not done this intentionally. So, and then I was so upset already, because of this friend's incident, and then this another tension was there, wanted to shift my house immediately as quickly as possible. Then the owner had, this one son and, one daughter who were of my age. Even the son was younger than me. So he used to call me sister, and then, come and take the guidance about his career. So when this twin flame, as he was always, eyeing on me, always stalking me, what I am doing, who I am talking. So he used to see, that when I was talking to this guy who used to call me sister, he was irritated, he was getting upset. And I thought, when we are not talking, I've given you closure, will not be talking, then what is the reason behind showing me this anger? So there was always, indirect fight and conversation and teasing the moment I started staying there. So I used to play, such songs which I wanted to say things to him, the way he was, playing mind games and all. And also when I shifted, his parents never looked at me, as everybody looks like there is a new neighbor. That too, I was staying alone, and that was again a big property. So, but after a few months, all of a sudden, this twin flame has said something to his parents, so that they started looking at me, that too in a weird way, kept on staring at me, and that was so surprising. Now I was thinking, what has he told to his parents? Because he did not tell the reality to his brother, For 6 months, he did not tell anything. So a lot of things has happened when I shifted, at this place, that I will share in upcoming video. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.